for the sailors amongst you. But there is a change on the way towards the end of the week, and we'll show you what's happening just in a second. We can see there's a lot of cloud amassing to the southwest. That's got a little bit closer over the last few hours, and in fact, just off the coast of northwest France, we have a few thunderstorms right now that may just clip into the Channel Islands or perhaps into the Isles of Scilly before moving away to the northwest. High pressure still in charge, giving a lot of settled and dry weather, I think, for the next couple of days. But then as we move towards the weekend, we see the change. Now this area of high pressure starts to weaken, and it's the low that we're watching over Scandinavia that drifts across the North Sea and then lies right across the more central parts of the United Kingdom as we move, unfortunately, into Saturday and Sunday. So turning a little bit unsettled as we move into the weekend. Now it will also cool down a little bit with northerly winds initially, and then they start to come around the area of low pressure, so the circulation here bringing slightly warmer air back across us, but rather chilly with an easterly wind across a large part of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now for the moment we have this line of cloud. It's mostly medium and high level cloud. It's not producing any rain, but it is making the sunshine very weak and hazy. There are those showery outbreaks of rain right in the far southwest, but not getting that much closer. Still a little bit of rain affecting the northwest of Scotland. Here in London, in fact, it's turned out to be rather cloudy. Weak sunshine trying to get through that high level cloud will give us a temperature around about 22 degrees for the championships at Wimbledon. Wednesday, I think, a better chance to see more sunshine, and as a result, temperatures a little bit higher, up at 22 or 23. So that's the forecast for the rest of the afternoon. The cloud in the far north of Scotland, perhaps thick enough to give a little bit of light rain or drizzle, and still quite a breeze developing in the North Sea. Temperatures likely to be up at around 22 or 23 degrees in central areas, but cooler the further north you travel. But the good news about that is, across the more northern parts of Scotland, the pollen index will be low at 4, higher the further south we are. Now the forecast for Wednesday is for a little bit more in terms of showers developing, I think, through the day. Still quite warm, still a lot of sunshine around, but those showers turning up across parts of Northern Ireland, northern and the northwest of England, as well as western parts of Scotland. In the south, though, not quite so much high-level cloud around. And the forecast into Europe, well, some fine settled weather here as well, especially for the Mediterranean and into Spain and Portugal. The forecast, I think, for much of Spain and Portugal dry, the same for France. I think a few showers developing across the alpine regions of Europe and into the Mediterranean. Here we're looking at a lot of warm, in fact hot sunshine with temperatures up at around 30, even 31 degrees Celsius. I'll be back with more later. Bye for now.